When we're looking for a good site for a mushroom laying yard, that's what this is. We're looking for basically four criteria. Most important one is shade. We need a minimum of 70% shade. And you can see this is hemlock. It makes a very dense canopy all year round. So it's very good in that respect. Another thing is topography, how level it is. This is kind of roly-poly. It's not ideal, but it's pretty good, and we can establish various types of stacking. The third one is access to water, and this site falls down completely there. We don't have a stream, we don't have any source of water, so we have to depend on natural fruiting rather than shocking with putting the logs in cold water. And finally, we need a site that doesn't have a lot of wind, and all this tree canopy would satisfy that criteria pretty well. We've walked into a space that we're seriously considering for a laying yard. And the first thing you want to consider, as I just said, is shade. So let's take a look at the canopy up here. This is white pine, mostly white pine with a few deciduous trees, but it's mostly an evergreen canopy. That means you're going to have shade all year round, and that's important. So you want shade all year round, and conifers will provide that. Unlike the ideal laying yard situation where you have a canopy of evergreens that keeps the logs shaded all year round, here we have a deciduous canopy. It defoliates and the sun is just too much sometimes in the winter, so we cover them with this black shade cloth. It's been there all winter, and now in spring, time to take it off. At this point in the spring, when it's a little bit warmer, we'll wait a few weeks, we'll be ready to shock these logs, to force them to produce mushrooms, forced fruiting, you might say.